Hello guys, welcome to the viral bash. So today I'm gonna teach you guys how will you give like a pinky look to this on this head. Okay, so this is like really for me to you tips guys, like how do you do a pinky look. Now before we begin, a quick channel disclaimer. All the materials are just for you guys, non-copyright infringement, and we follow the guidelines and rules of the community. So let's begin. How do you really give like a pinky look? Now, in order to do a pinky look, you need an eyeshadow. After you have an eyeshadow, let's begin and put it a bit of this look. Okay. Oh, sorry. So you take a bit from this eyeshadow. Second step is you apply it on each side of the cheeks. Okay, so watch. Okay, let me see. A bit here look, so it will look not too shady on the side of the cheek. Like I see, we need really to give it like a pinky look, right? So now, what else do we need? We need the eyeballs, right? So we're going to put a bit brush. Not too much, and we are going to apply it on each side of the eyeball. This is just great, isn't it guys? This is great. Certain we need this concealer. Okay, we put the concealer on each side of the cheeks, so we can really blend. Concealer, okay. Put on this side also a bit, and like this. Very good. The fourth thing that you need in this quick tutorial is this eyeliner. So you put this eyeliner on the end of the eyeballs of your eyeballs. So take one, you put it here a bit. This is just good. Oh, this is so good. You guys can see the pinky look will begin. Moment. Bit hand now, and you guys can see we get a pinky look. You can see the pinky look. This is just great. So this is like one way to do a pinky look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, if you do, thank you. And I will see you guys in the next episode in the viral blush. Again, thank you guys for watching this video. Disclaimer, this is just for you guys. Okay, and we have permission and copyright.